I'm getting ready to do some laundry. I have a basket of everything I need to wash. First, I'm going to sort my clothes. So I'm going to sort into a pile of dark items and a pile of light items. That way, my lighter clothes stay light and my dark clothes don't bleed onto them. I'm going to look for stains as I sort. Use my stain remover. That way, I take care of my clothes. You can also check the tags in your clothes, see what the wash instructions are, if it's warm water, cold water, hot water. You can check to see if you can dry any of these items. So as I sort, I'm looking at all of those things, checking for stains, noticing if I dry them or not. Okay, I'm sorted. I have a pile of light clothes, a pile of dark clothes. I'm going to start with my light, just because they're right here. Detergent. There are a lot of different types of detergents. You can use pods. Let me open this up and show you what it looks like. A pod is where the detergent is already pre-portioned in this dissolvable casing. You can just throw it right into your washing machine. You can also use liquid detergent. And in the cap, there are ways to measure your detergent. There's lines that say 1, 2, or 3. This is a small load. I just need a little bit of detergent, so pour it in. Pour it into my washing machine so it's ready to go. And then put in my clothes. I'm going to spread out the clothes and the items as much as possible so it's evenly distributed and my washing machine is evenly weighted. And then close the lid. This is just a general load of clothes. I'm going to use deep wash, warm water, and regular wash. And then push start. I'm ready to go. My washing machine just finished, so now I'm ready to transfer the items in here to the dryer. Open my lid. First, on my dryer, I need to remove the dryer lint. I want to check it before I do any move. So here's the dryer lint catch. I will clean it out, throw this away. This is the biggest safety hazard with using a dryer. Lint is very flammable, and if you get too much lint built up, it gets too hot, it can catch fire. Also, if this gets full, your clothes don't dry as efficiently. This dryer, the lint trap is on top. There are some dryers that the lint trap is inside, so just check your model out, see where you can find it. Load in your items. Close the lid and ready to go. This is closed, so decide how long you think they should dry. I'm going to put more dry, so I can just take them out and fold them and put them away. And then start.